Have you ever wondered how technology has revolutionized the way we perceive the world around us? Well, I have some exciting news for you. When it comes to 3D scanning services, look no further than the top-notch services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Rohini, Delhi NCR. Yes, you heard it right. They are the pioneers in this field and provide the best 3D scanning services in the entire region. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a game-changer in the world of 3D scanning. Their cutting-edge technology and expertise have made them the go-to choice for all your scanning needs. Whether it's industrial, medical, or architectural scanning, they have got you covered. With their state-of-the-art equipment and skilled professionals, they ensure that every detail is captured with precision and accuracy, giving you a truly lifelike experience. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from their competitors is their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires personalized attention. That's why they go above and beyond to tailor their services to your specific requirements. No matter how big or small your project is, they will work tirelessly to deliver results that will exceed your expectations. One of the standout features of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their quick turnaround time. They understand that time is of the essence, and they strive to deliver your scanned files in the shortest possible time without compromising on quality. Their efficient workflow and streamlined processes ensure that you get your scanned files in record time, allowing you to proceed with your projects without any delays. Are you in search of the top 3D scanning services in Rohini, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their expertise in the field of 3D scanning, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as one of the leading companies in the industry. Whether you need scanning services for industrial applications or for personal use, they have got you covered. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in offering top-notch 3D scanning services to their clients. Their team of skilled professionals uses the latest technology and equipment to ensure that the scans are accurate and detailed. They understand the importance of precision in 3D scanning, and that is why they leave no stone unturned in delivering the best results. With their state-of-the-art scanners and software, they can capture even the smallest details with utmost clarity. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from their competitors is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They go above and beyond to meet the specific requirements of their clients and deliver results that exceed expectations. Whether you need 3D scanning for reverse engineering, product design, or quality control, they have the expertise to handle it all. Their team of professionals works closely with each client to understand their needs and provide customized solutions.